Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Notion for note-taking easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Notion website. Click on the Sign Up button if you don't already have an account. If you have an account, click on Log In and enter your credentials. Once you are logged in, you'll be directed to the Notion workspace. To start note-taking, locate the left sidebar. Click on the New Page button at the bottom of the sidebar. A blank page will appear in the main workspace. You can start by giving your page a title. Type in the topic or subject of your notes at the top of the page. Below the title, you can add text by simply clicking anywhere in the body area. Notion allows different text formatting options. Highlight your text to see formatting options like bold, italics, and underline. You can also create headers by typing /heading and selecting the desired heading level. To add bullet points, type /list and select bullet list. For numbered lists, type /list and choose numbered. Notion enables multimedia integration as well. You can add images by typing /image and uploading from your device. To include links, type or paste the URL directly in your notes. Using the / command opens up a menu of additional features. You can insert tables, databases, and even embedded content. Organize your notes by using subpages. Highlight text and create a link to another page by using /link. If you want to set reminders, type /remind followed by your reminder details. To keep your notes organized, consider using tags. Tags can be added by typing hashtag followed by the tag name. When you finish taking notes, your content is automatically saved. To share your notes, click on the Share button at the top right. Enable link sharing to allow others access to your notes. You can also set permissions for collaborators. Explore other features to personalize your note-taking experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.